This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. Remember when Rolex prices seemed to skyrocket faster than a SpaceX rocket launch? Just a few years ago, the luxury watch market saw a surge in demand similar to the enthusiasm of a Black Friday sale. Buyers eagerly ventured into the world of high-end timepieces, splurging with reckless abandon. For a time, flipping Rolex watches was highly profitable, but the market has changed. The era of turning a quick profit by reselling Rolex timepieces appears to be over. Many watch enthusiasts and channels are now discussing the significant drop in prices for pre-owned Rolex models, with some asserting that flipping is no longer a feasible strategy. However, the precise reasons behind this market shift are not fully understood, and the real driving factors remain a subject of speculation. But as the tides have turned, so too has the market, and the once sky-high prices of Rolex watches are finding their way back to earth. Let's dive into this fascinating shift in this video brought to you by the luxury world. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, we invite you to do so now to stay updated on our upcoming videos. In the pre-pandemic days of July 2019, the financial world saw Bitcoin triple in value, capturing headlines and imaginations alike. Meanwhile, luxury goods like Rolex watches also experienced a meteoric rise. People were willing to endure lengthy waitlists and pay exorbitant premiums to secure coveted models like the Daytona or Submariner. However, this frenzy was about more than just supply and demand. It was also fueled by a broader cultural shift. During lockdowns, disposable income previously spent on travel and dining out was redirected toward luxury items. Watches became a symbol of success and stability in uncertain times. We are finally returning to a time when buying a watch is about wearing and enjoying it, rather than treating it as an investment. In recent years, we have witnessed some wild trends in the luxury watch market, but the era of flipping watches for profit is coming to a close. Many who once thrived on reselling now admit it is no longer lucrative or worth the effort. Some did manage to capitalize on the boom, using their profits to fund home improvements like garden upgrades or new kitchens. So, what is next for the gray market? Rolex is likely to keep supply tight in the near term. Meanwhile, several models, particularly larger ones like the Skydweller, full gold pieces, and hefty Daytonas, continue to sit unsold, hinting at a changing dynamic in the market. At the height of the craze, Rolex prices on the secondary market had ballooned to double their pre-pandemic value. The stainless steel Submariner, for instance, was fetching far more than its retail price. But as with all bubbles, this one was bound to deflate. When demand outstripped supply, the risk for buyers grew. Paying such high premiums was akin to playing a financial hot potato, with many hesitant to take the plunge. As people returned to normal routines, the flood of money into the luxury watch market began to wane. As demand dipped, availability improved. Those once elusive models began appearing on store shelves. The lengthy waitlists that had characterized the Rolex buying experience started to shrink, and the secondary market followed suit. Prices for pre-owned models, including the highly sought-after stainless steel Submariners, began to align more closely with their original retail prices. This trend has made purchasing a Rolex less of an ordeal. The market correction saw pre-owned prices dip, sometimes even below the recommended retail price. High-end models like gold Daytonas and Yachtmasters, which once flew off shelves, now linger longer in display cases. For many buyers, the prospect of purchasing a brand new Rolex at retail only to see its value immediately drop on the resale market has altered the game. Suddenly, pre-owned watches, often in excellent condition, have become a more attractive option. This shift has made luxury more accessible, reshaping consumer expectations and buying habits. Rolex, aware of the shifting dynamics, has taken steps to enhance its control over the customer experience. By opening its retail outlets, the brand can better manage both pricing and availability, ensuring that purchasing a Rolex feels as exclusive as ever. Rolex's retail pricing plays a key role in this trend, as demand for large, flashy watches has declined. Many buyers are now avoiding the hassle of securing these models, instead gravitating toward more affordable and practical options. It is important to recognize that most Rolex watches are not sold to authorized dealers or resellers, but directly to everyday consumers. Some of these individuals see an opportunity to turn a quick profit. Considering the significant potential returns on certain Rolex models, it is no surprise that many are tempted to purchase a recognizable Rolex when the chance arises. The Rolex Certified Pre-Owned program, or CPO, could play a pivotal role in shaping the brand's future, even if it means paying a premium. By introducing a formal initiative, Rolex not only legitimizes the pre-owned market but also ensures quality and authenticity for buyers seeking second-hand timepieces. This move strengthens the brand's control over its ecosystem, offering peace of mind to customers while maintaining high standards. Although these certified watches might come at a higher cost, they provide a compelling option for those who value assurance and prestige over hunting for deals in the gray market. For enthusiasts who have been eyeing coveted models like the Daytona, this shift raises an intriguing question. Are the infamous waitlists nearing their end? Historically, securing a Daytona often meant waiting for years or paying hefty premiums on the secondary market. However, as more models begin to trade below retail prices, the exclusivity surrounding these watches is gradually diminishing. This could signal a more accessible era, where iconic timepieces become attainable without navigating a maze of scarcity and inflated costs. These developments point to broader changes within the watch industry. The days of flipping watches for quick profits may be fading, replaced by a market that values wearability and long-term ownership. As prices stabilize and supply becomes more predictable, both new and seasoned collectors have an opportunity to enjoy the hobby in its purest form. The Rolex CPO program and easing of waitlists could set a precedent for other luxury brands, reshaping the dynamics of the industry and redefining what it means to own a truly timeless piece. Flipping Rolex watches was once a highly profitable venture, driven by the brand's limited supply and high demand. Many buyers capitalized on this dynamic, reselling sought-after models for substantial gains. However, market conditions have shifted, making it far less viable to turn a quick and significant profit. The fluctuating resale values and increased availability of certain models have leveled the playing field, reducing the allure of flipping as a get-rich-quick strategy. In this new landscape, the focus is shifting back to the original purpose of owning a luxury watch: personal enjoyment. Collectors and buyers are now encouraged to purchase pieces they absolutely love, appreciating them for their craftsmanship and aesthetic rather than their potential as financial assets. If a watch holds sentimental value and brings joy, its worth transcends monetary considerations. Even if it depreciates slightly over time, the experience of owning and wearing it can be more fulfilling than any profit margin. That said, making a profit is still possible, and for those who happen to see their investment grow, it is a bonus. However, the primary takeaway is to embrace a more balanced approach. Watches are, at their core, objects of beauty and precision meant to be worn and enjoyed. Whether you gain or lose financially, the true value lies in the personal connection and satisfaction that come with owning a timepiece you genuinely admire. The recent roller coaster ride of Rolex prices serves as a case study of market dynamics. It highlights how external factors, like a global pandemic, can drastically alter consumer behavior and influence demand for luxury goods. While the frenzy may have subsided, the allure of a Rolex remains undiminished. For those considering a purchase, now might be the perfect time to explore the market, whether you are buying new or pre-owned. What are your thoughts about the topic we shared today? If you enjoyed the video, we would appreciate it if you let us know by leaving a comment and giving it a thumbs up. Do not forget to follow our channel for more content. Once again, this is the Luxury World, and we look forward to having you join us in our upcoming videos.